So hello guys, welcome to the new video, and today I'm gonna show you that how you can create AI images using Midjourney. So guys, Midjourney is a AI bot which is in partnership with Discord currently. So the first thing you have to do, you have to create your Discord account. If you have not created your Discord account, you have to create it and sign in to that account, and you have to create a server. Now why a server, I'm gonna tell you uh, in the way. So you have to click on like join the beta and accept the invite that Midjourney servers is sending you. Just click on accept the invite and like into the Midjourney's server. Now in Midjourney server you will be like here newcomer rooms and in newbie 123 or whatever these are. What you have to do is you have to go here and you have to search for the Midjourney bot itself. So you can find Midjourney bot right here, like here. And if you have not found Midjourney bot, what you have to do is you have to go to show member list and go to Midjourney's bot. Now to add Midjourney bot into your server, what you have to do is invite this into server, but before that you can also do your work here, but I prefer using a server because in server what happens is you are able to do your work with more privacy and with more accuracy. So just click on the Midjourney bot and click on add to server and then select your server. Let's say this is my server, and I'll click on continue and authorize it as well. Now my server is authorized and the bot has been added to my server. So this was my server, and when you add the bot into your server, like this will show Midjourney bot just slide into your server, and usually it gives like intro and TOS that you have to accept, but I already accepted that earlier, so it's not showing me the TOS and the introduction that's usually provided. So now the thing is that how you can create AI images using Midjourney. So the bot is already in the server, so we just have to like write the right commands. So to do that, just enter slash, and these are the Midjourney's command. What we are concerned with right now is we have to select this imagine prompt. Now in prompt, what you're gonna do is you have to write what kind of image you want to generate. Let's say kid flying in the space. That's it. Now when you enter it, it will start generating the image. But while entering the prompt, what you need to be concerned about is that you have to be as much precise as you can be to create the perfect kind of picture that you are imagining of. In my case, I wasn't like really precise, but I just typed like an overview of the image that I want, and these are the images that are being created. Don't worry if you are thinking that, oh my god, this is like the worst quality. It's only because it is not yet 100% generated. It goes usually from 0 to 100, and that's why this thing happens. So now this is the 100% generated image, and like these are the images. So for me, I pretty much like this one and this one, these both, but I'm just gonna use this picture. So guys, please tell what which one of these pictures you like in the comment section. However, for me, I'm just gonna select this as of now. So I'm just gonna click U4 because this picture is 4. Now talking about U4 and V4, what is U4 or V4? So U means upscale and V means variations. If you select a U4, that means you will be upscaling like this fourth picture, and if you click V4, that means you will be like creating more variations for the same picture. But I don't want to like create variations for the same picture because it's already pretty good. It's already pretty sick. So I'll just gonna select U4 and then save the image to my PC. Usually Midjourney provide the results within like 60 seconds, but it sometimes take more time than usual. And what you have to do is you have to just wait, and that's all you can do until your image is ready. Okay, so guys, this is our the final upscaled image, and this is our final result. And to save it, you have to just select it and then click on save image as, and boom, your image will be saved. So guys, that's it for the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like the video. Please subscribe and comment also to my video and channel. And if you want me to create more such videos, you can just comment down below and I'll look into that. Till then, peace out, bye bye.